So I wanted to share something with y'all real quick. So open it up now. And, this unit that I got for $4, right? I like it, but I feel like it's intrusive. I don't know. Even though when you come in here, it's not like it's in the way because I still got space. Mind you, all this stuff gonna be gone in the future, but I still feel like my aunt was saying that the clock looked nice up there, and I did like the look of the clock. So I was thinking, what if I'm getting ready to turn this sideways and see what I think about it? Because here's my idea. I'm thinking that I can take this, turn it sideways on top of this. Now that base is still going to be on it, so I have to get that off. It's solid wood, so I want to work with it and then add wood to it. So if I turn it to the side, it's going to be just as long as this, but it'll bring it down and not feel so intrusive. Let me just see how that looks, and then I'm gonna explain to you guys what I want to do. Because I want this pantry area so bad. I've been looking on Marketplace, but I'm seeing stuff for like 65, 70 bucks. Nothing that looks like a piece that I can work with, but I'm like, since I got this and this is only $4, we're gonna try to work with this and build around it to make something unique. So let's see what it looks like when I take it down and put it sideways. Now, mind you, I have this heater here. That's one reason why I didn't want something that go fully across, but I think with the idea I have, this will work out to be not impeding that. I know it looks weird, but I'm gonna take the top and bottoms off just to get the straight base across, and I'm gonna build. I don't even really need to do much of nothing. Yeah, I would do it where this will be the flat top of it, and I can build like some doors or something, and instead of putting the shelves the way they were going to go in this way, I'll put maybe one nice shelf or two nice shelves going across. That way all the stuff can go across this way. I don't know, maybe just one shelf, so that way it can have most of the stuff on the top and then higher stuff at the bottom. Let me see how this flower sets in here, because that's kind of a big thing, and that would determine how many shelves I can get in here. Like some of the taller stuff that I would need in the pantry. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna just set the stuff back in there, and I'm going to put the clock back up for right now. I don't know exactly what I want to do, but it's still not in the way, and it's still giving me space down there, because I put a lot of stuff from under my island, like my baking stuff that I don't use on a daily basis underneath there. So I don't know. It's gonna be a work in progress. Let me put the clock back up. Kind of sort of getting it. Ooh, if I did do it this way, I could do the doors that slide off. No, I can't. Or can I? Gotta be super creative. I'll figure something out. But for right now, I'm just gonna let it sit to my brain figure something out.